Okay, so this has been an absolute pleasure working on this. So this is a 2006 BMW M5 with the monstrous Formula One derivative V10 engine. These things are absolutely awesome, and this particular one is probably the best condition one I've ever seen. Only 29,000 miles. Lovely example. So we've been working on this to add Apple CarPlay to a 2006 BMW, which is quite a mean feat, to be honest. We've had to do a few software revisions to make it work, but we got there in the end. So now we're all ready and set that if you have a BMW E60 variant, we can now do CarPlay in it for you, which is fully integrating with the original BMW system. So I will just show you now in terms of how this is going to work. So we are now inside, and as you can see, we now have Apple CarPlay in the original BMW screen. So this is very easy. Menu button will take you obviously back through, but I'll go through that in a minute. So that's the original iDrive system. You hold it again and you're back into CarPlay. So we've got in here, so everything is controlled by the original jog dial, and as you can see, it's very slick, it's very precise, everything works as it should in here. Very easy to navigate. It's got voice obviously with Siri and all the other features, and also we can fully integrate, let me show you, with the reversing camera, and flick that back out and we're back into the original CarPlay again. So not really more I can say really, other than you can now have Apple CarPlay in a BMW E60 variant, which I guess is from 2005 to 2008, I think. So it's quite, considering how old the car is, having this option is a really nice upgrade for these. So yes, if you're very interested in this, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations.